How to add clickable link on TikTok bio. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's start writing without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up TikTok on a device. Now tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on edit profile. Now when you go to bio, now when you add a link to your bio, it won't be clickable. Now to add a clickable link, simply go back and tap on links. Now if you want to add a website link, simply tap on add. Or if you want to add Instagram or YouTube link, simply tap on add. Now select your Google account or simply log in into your Instagram account. Then tap on continue. Now simply go back. Now when you tap on the link, it will redirect to the YouTube application. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.